Hey everyone, my name is Caleb Janssens and today we're going to be talking about another Connex Connect security camera. Today we're going to be talking about the smart Wi-Fi 720p IP camera designed for indoor use. This is a camera that records in HD, that is 720p, both live footage and recorded footage. In regards to the recorded footage, everything is recorded onto an SD card that you can insert directly into the camera. I mentioned live footage, which you can access via the Connex Connect app, which is available on both Android and iOS devices. Security is the name of the game with this camera. Motion detection software has been installed on the camera so that the moment any motion is detected, a notification is sent directly to the user's phone. Not only that, auto tracking software has been installed on the camera, ensuring that any subject of interest is center frame and clear for everyone to see. Not only that, this camera has been designed to be used 24/7. That means both day and night filming. So at night, even when all the lights are off, the infrared camera switches on and you can see everything clear as day. But that's enough about me talking about this camera. Let's take a look at it together.
In the box, we received the camera itself, as well as a charging cable and some additional screws and other peripherals to assist in the installation of your camera.
Connecting to the Connex app is incredibly simple and follows 3 easy steps.
Step 1, download the app. Step 2, plug in your camera. Step 3, connect the camera to your app. To download the app, simply head over to your app store and download the Connex Connect app. Once the app is downloaded, plug in your camera to a power source.
Connecting the Connex app to your device is designed to be as easy as possible.
Open the Connex Connect app and select Add Device. Select Smart Tech cameras and follow the on-screen prompts. First, reset your device, select a Wi-Fi network, and then use the security camera to scan the QR code. The app will connect the camera to the smart device. The lights will help you understand the steps you need to follow. Solid red means that the camera is booting up. Flashing red means the camera is ready to pair. Flashing blue means the camera is pairing to the app. And solid blue means that the camera is connecting to the cloud and will soon be ready to launch.
And there you have a working security camera. Thank you so much for watching this video, and remember, stay safe with Connex.